standard programmed crisis braking on most Nissan Sentra models this year. Supplements blended well-being scores. The huge news this year for the 2018 Nissan Sentra is the consideration of programmed crisis braking on all programmed prepared autos and a rear-view camera. Those propelled highlights procure it a point better than expected, however we take one back for a 4-star general score from the feds and land at a 6 for well-being. Past programmed crisis braking, each Sentra is furnished with 6 airbags including front and back side effect window ornament airbags, footing and strength control. Frameworks are standard, and blind side screens are accessible on senior trim levels or standard on the SL Review. The Sentra incorporates reasonable highlights, for example, a simple fill tire ready that blares the horn when the tires are legitimately expanded, and great outward vision on account of a low belt line. The IIHS gives the Sentra great stamps in all crash testing performed up until now. Yet, it says that the little auto's headlights are appraised poor. Not at all like a portion of those contenders, the Nissan is quite clear about its expectations. It's a suburbanite exceptional. The tall, upright look is an aid to outward vision and headroom, yet it's a little Poindexter, by our book. That doesn't look good for the senior turbo and nismo variations that were presented a year ago. Nissan offers an upgraded Turbo 4 that enhances torque over the base Sentra powertrain, 188 drive to 124 horsepower. However, it's not as sensational as the numbers demonstrate. The senior turbo and nismo forms aren't as fun as the Sentra's old Hypo version, the SER. It's the sort of auto that a huge number of individuals utilize each day. Our rating of 5.5 is an impression of its normal capacities or more normal security frameworks, which are new for 2018. Those security enhancements incorporate standard programmed crisis braking on all models furnished with a constantly factor-programmed transmission, CVT. The Sentra is offered in S, SV, Senior, SL, Senior Turbo, and Nismo trim levels.